How long did it take you to get equity in your property? How long did it take you to build equity in a home? And I put this post up in my Facebook group today, and it was awesome, the responses I got on it, because a lot of women in there were talking about, oh, it only took, 10 seconds after closing. Or they'd said, it only took until I signed my name on the deed. So they're getting instant equity in these houses. And that's really what I want to talk about tonight. Because if you're worried about how long is it going to take to build up equity in this house, there are strategies in real estate investing to where you can have instant equity in a rental property, in a home. And this really happens in real estate investing more than it happens in primary houses. But with the shift that we're having in the market right now, I realize that everything is a seller's market and it's super hot and it's amazing right now. But it's not going to be that way for long, and it's not going to be that way forever. And I'm telling you right now, this is the best time to get started in real estate investing, because the market is about to be flooded with deals. You're about to be able to buy deals in this market that you couldn't have touched in the winter, that you couldn't have even dreamed about last summer. All right? If you're doing real estate deals right now, whether you're having a lot of luck with it or not, keep going. If you're not doing real estate investing right now, I really don't know what you're waiting on, because the market is tanking right now. And if you were smart, and I know you are, you would be figuring out how you can start to help these sellers. There's like a 16%, what do you say? I watched Alex Sharfin's video earlier today on Facebook, and he was saying that there, in commercial real estate for sure, 16% of the properties are behind on payments right now. 16% of commercial properties are behind on payments right now. That means in the next month, 2 months, 3 months, say if 5% of those people catch back up on their payments, that means 10% of the properties that are out there and behind on payments right now are going to start to go through the pre-foreclosure and the foreclosure process. And now, I don't like the F word, and I tell y'all that all the time. I don't like foreclosures. I don't like pre-foreclosures. I don't like any of that stuff. I don't deal with that stuff. But I do recognize that that is a strategy. What I like to do, the way I help women get their first deal done fast, is I help them get in front of those deals. So right now, I'm going to be teaching you how to be talking to sellers. I'm going to be teaching you how to fill out the contracts. I'm going to be teaching you how to get people out of properties, even though we're not doing evictions properly right now. There are still ways. I am evicting a person right now out of one of my properties because he's not paying. All right? And the way I've got my contract set up, he's got to go, and he knows that. So he's leaving. I'm getting the property back. Everything's going to be fine. But you have got to get control of this, y'all. You've got to be out there starting to talk to sellers right now. Don't wait until 16% of these properties are on the market. It's too late then. One of these days, y'all are going to wake up and you're going to be saying, real estate looks like a really good buy right now. All these people are making all this money, getting all these great deals. By the time you're going to wake up and see that in 21, it's going to be too late. All right? Honest to goodness truth right now, I've been coaching for like 12 hours today. I've been teaching women how to talk to sellers all day long. I've been teaching women how to negotiate with a title company all day long. I've been teaching women how to make big offers and collect big checks and not be greedy about it, not feel like they're being selfish about it. And these are conversations that I specifically have with women. I never have these conversations with men. And I want y'all to know that I'm coaching like crazy right now, preparing these women for the downturn that we are starting to experience in the world right now. Some of y'all aren't paying attention, but we're having a downturn right now, and it's about to get crazy out here. And some of y'all are going to be super prepared. Some of you are going to know how to buy houses and get instant equity. Some of you are going to be able to become millionaires in the next 2 years. And some of you are going to end up broker than you are right now. You're going to end up more busted than you are right now. And you're going to be disgusted with yourself that you didn't get started sooner. Sorry, if you were expecting rainbows and lollipops, tonight is not your night, all right? Abby the Labby did not ride in on a unicorn today. Look, I'm going to break a sweat out here. I'm going to have to take my purse off. And neither did you. And there, as far as I know, there's not a knight in shining armor that's going to come rescue you, ladies. You got to start taking care of your business yourself. And that includes finding properties that are going to give you instant equity. And if you're not doing that right now, today, you're about to miss out on a huge wealth shift. Lots of people are going to be losing properties. If you're in a position where you're about to be losing properties, then let me know that, all right? I've got 240 women out all across the country who are doing these deals and helping sellers all day, every day, and I can help connect you with one of them. Or if you're local here, East Tennessee, I could buy your property, all right? Right now, I'm still coaching. There's going to be a day here in the next year or two where I'm not going to be coaching y'all anymore. I'm not going to be coaching you anymore. And you are going to be really upset with yourself that you didn't get in FTDF Plus while I was still here. You know why I'm not going to be coaching? Because I'm going to be buying houses. I'm going to be doing deals. I'm doing deals right now, but not full-time, not full-fledged, not like I'm going to be doing when these people start jumping ship. All right? I'm going to be out doing deals, and y'all are going to be begging me, please, Whitney, start coaching again. No. Right now is the time. Right now is when you're supposed to be getting started. Right now is where you're preparing for the harvest that is going to be coming all along every city in this country over the next couple years. If you're not getting ready now, you're going to miss it. Straight up, you are going to miss it if you don't get started right now. FTDF Plus is available right now. It's group coaching. I teach women all day long, every day, but especially on Tuesdays, how to buy these houses and get instant equity. It's possible. I helped a woman today. We made 3 offers on 3 different properties today. I helped one woman realize how great of a deal she had. She didn't even know it was a deal until we put all the numbers together. We talked it through. Y'all got to get started. If you're not started right now, if you're not out putting in offers right now, you're not practicing. All right? And I had a lady call me today. She watched a webinar that I have. I've got a free webinar out to talk about First Still Done Fast and introduce you to it. And she called to let me know her excuse for not getting involved in First Still Done Fast. And that crap used to really upset me. Like, why did you call me just to give me your excuse? And now I realize that she was calling and giving me her excuse because that was the last objection she had before she purchased First Still Done Fast. And she told me that she doesn't know how to talk to sellers. Don't you think that I'm going to teach you how to talk to sellers? Like, absolutely I am. Nobody expects a surgeon to know how to perform surgery before they go to surgery school. All right, that's like why you go, okay? You sign up for First Still Done Fast so I can teach you all the things that I'm doing actually in my business right now to get deals done. I've made tons of mistakes. I didn't know what to say to sellers in the beginning either. I paid a mentor $15,000 to help me get started. And I'm telling y'all right now, the price to get into First Still Done Fast is cheap. For the amount of information that you get, the amount of support that you get, everything that goes into First Still Done Fast, it's cheap for the price that it is. I've looked at other coaches' programs. I'm in a mastermind with real estate gurus. Like your favorite gurus, I'm in a mastermind with them. I see what they are selling for the same or more as First Still Done Fast. I know exactly how good y'all got it. And I'm telling y'all, when I get busy buying these deals and I'm not coaching anymore, some of y'all are going to be kicking yourself that you didn't join FTDF Plus while it was good. Nobody expects you to be a real estate investor before you get started as a real estate investor. That don't make a lick of sense. All right, even Abby the Labby knows that. All right, when Abby started, she didn't know what she was doing. Neither did I. We figured it out together though. And that's what I'm going to help you do in First Still Done Fast. All right? Y'all got to get started. You don't go out and make a bunch of money and then come back and say, hey, I'm ready now. No. You're supposed to say, I'm ready now. Teach me how to buy these houses and get instant equity. Teach me how long it should take to get equity in these properties. Help me get some properties that have instant equity in them. You don't go do it and then come back. You got to get help with it. And that's what I'm here to do. That's what I help women do. All right? I've got a regular self-study program. If you want to do it yourself, then get First Still Done Fast. There's 240 something women in there right now. Get out there, get it done. I'll give you everything I've got. It's all pre-recorded. You can get in and go for it right now tonight. But if you want me to hold your hand, if you want me to talk to you twice a week, if you want me to look at your deals individually, if you want me to help you find a honey hole in your market, in your area that's really going to work for you, if you want me to know your real goals, you got to join FDDF Plus. And that is where I do the one-on-one coaching. That's where I do the group coaching. All right? And it's me. When you book a call on FDDFplus.com, I'm going to call you. I called a lady yesterday twice. She didn't answer. I'm never calling her back. Never, ever. All right? I call you twice. You don't answer. You're done. I'm not taking time away from the people who want my help to chase down somebody who clearly doesn't want it. All right? Some of y'all are missing the biggest opportunity to get started in real estate investing right now because you're pinching pennies to step over dollars. It doesn't make any sense. It does not make any sense. Oh, I smell a skunk out here tonight. If you're serious about getting into real estate investing, if you actually want to know how to buy these houses and get all sorts of equity right up front just for signing your name, I'll teach you how to do that. Go to FDDFplus.com, check out all the information about group coaching, and book a call with me. If you're in First Still Done Fast, you can upgrade to FDDF Plus because some of y'all been in First Still Done Fast for a year or two, and you've done a couple things and you've dibble-dabbled and maybe you've closed a deal or two, but you're not doing them regularly. You're not doing them strategically. You don't have a process in place to keep it going while you're doing other things and doing other businesses. It's time to go, girls. All right? This is not a practice round. We had a practice round. It was 2018. 2019 was the practice round, all right? It's 2020. Going into the 20s, it's going to be the roaring 20s. People are going to be doing deals left and right, all over the place. And I want you to be in on it, all right? If you want to know how to get the instant equity, it's on lease options. It's in owner financing. That's what I specialize in. I've got hours of videos of me breaking it down step by step by step in First Still Done Fast. If you really want to know how to get instant equity, if you really want to know what the other women are so excited about and how the other women are making $50,000 a month. One of my ladies in FDDF Plus made $50,000 in June while you were sitting around twiddling your thumbs, hoping and praying all this stuff will just fly over. Y'all, we're in the middle of a mess right here. And one of my girls made $50,000 while you were worried about the price of admission. You want to make $50,000 or you want to talk about it? And some of you aren't even willing to talk about making $50,000. You're so scared of it. You would be happy making $5,000 a month. All right, fine. We'll do that a couple times until you're ready to make 10, until you're ready to make 20. I don't care what your goal is. I'll help you double it in half the time. That's how you're going to get rich in real estate. That's how you're going to build generational wealth. That's how you're going to get passive income. You got to be in creative financing. That's what I specialize in. That's how I helped that lady get $50,000 last month. What are you waiting on? Do you want money or not? Do you want to do deals or not? Do you want to help sellers or not? Because that's what it comes down to. You got to do the work. You got to put in the effort. You got to put in some energy. You got to give it some attention. But the money is there. The deals are there. The sellers are there. It's all there. All of the deals are out there. You just got to say, all right, I'm going to go get it now. This is my turn. This is my time. Until you say that, you stay on the sideline, I guess. But once you're ready to be serious about it, once you're ready to do bigger deals, once you're ready to get more passive income, once you're ready to quit your job or do whatever it is that's holding you back, or all the excuses in the world that you've got, that you've been calling me and telling me about, like, get over it. Get started. Do lease options and owner financing. Buy houses 50 cents on the dollar. You can get equity in houses. Probably not doing it the same old way that you've always been doing it. You got to get creative. You got to talk to some different sellers. You got to learn how to talk to sellers. But I'm going to teach you how to talk to sellers and how to get these deals done. Go to fddfplus.com. Ooh, got a bug. All right, fddfplus.com. Go to fddfplus.com and book a call with me. Some of y'all are going to fiddle fart around and you're going to miss out on helping your kids and grandkids and great-grandchildren be able to buy whatever they want and never worry about money, because you're worried about what somebody else is thinking about it or what the news is going to say tomorrow. It's time to put those excuses to the side and get started. You can make your whole yearly salary in 1 month. I know, because we did it last month. And that could be you, but you got to get started. I'm still here to help you. I'm still coaching right now. I am hiring people left and right so that I can start doing some deals myself. And one of these days, y'all are going to wake up and say, man, I really wish I would have joined FDDF Plus. Don't do that. Just join. Book a call with me and join. Let's get started. I gotta show you this sky. FDDFplus.com.